Welcome back. Over 50% schools in the state do not have playgrounds. Over 825 primary, secondary and higher secondary schools run without playgrounds. In Salsett, most do not have. However, Education Department's figure shows the schools and students in Sattari are lucky ones. Government faces a huge task ahead while enforcing RTA's full-day school guideline. Watch report.
Government is trying hard to promote sports at school level. Education Department has also enforced sports marks policy for students who perform in sports. But ironically, almost 50% schools in the state do not have the playgrounds. Out of 1,102 primary schools, 582 schools do not have ground. Out of 425 secondary schools, 209 schools and of 81 higher secondaries, 34 higher secondaries are still waiting for a playground. Majority of the schools in Salsett do not have playgrounds, followed by Ponda and Tiswadi. Government has made a special provision of 20 lakhs for a school ground construction and 40 lakhs for indoor school ground, but only if the school has its own land.
जी गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल आसा ताजो जो ग्राउंड आसा ती तांचे कडेन एरिया आसा ती एरिया ती डेव्हलप करपा दृश्टीकोनांतल्यान आमी प्रयत्न एक करतले. प्रायवेट जेन्ना स्कूल जेन्ना सुरू करता की त्यावेळी विचार करपाक जाय आशिल्लें म्हणटकीर आमी तांकां जमीन आमी दिवचे ना. जर एखाद्या संस्थे कडेन जमीन आसत जर जायत ती जमीन डेव्हलप करपा खातीर पयशे आमी जे आतां मी सांगलें पळय 20 लाख रुपया ग्राउंड डेव्हलप करपा खातीर किंवा एखादो हॉल इंडोर बांदपा खातीर 40 लाख रुपया तांचे जमीन आसल्यार आमी दितले.
Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Goa government's official websites are not encrypted. The technology used to structure a website is very old, almost 8 to 10 years old. These are observations coming from a cyber expert. Prudence spoke with an expert following recent hacking of government websites by international hackers. Experts feel the state cyber crime cell should have techno-legal team.
Few days back, आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाची खुबश्यो वेबसायटी हॅक जाल्या आनी ते पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद ही पेज येताली ओपन केल्या उपरांत.
Actually, very difficult to say, कि Pakistan hackers ती website hack केल्या. The reason is that whenever the website is hacked, at that moment hacker will never tell his identity from where it is hacked. The first thing I found Goa government website was not encrypted. On which web server it is hosted, whether the Goa government has taken adequate measures to find out whether that web server is secured. The technology which has been used to develop the website is good old technology which was used 8 to 10 years before. Quickly the Goa government should give one log sheet of the websites to CERT-In. CERT-In is Computer Emergency Response Team and IN means India in New Delhi. But I certainly believe that the team which has been developed or the team which is getting to be formed to investigate cybercrime should be a techno-legal team. In 2008, I trained 26 police officers, and between 2008 to 2013, I trained another 170 odd policemen. When you have a cybercrime cell, you should have a dedicated, and you should have people who have the knowledge. I would not say that Goa police is not aware of cybercrime. So awareness of cybercrime with the police is not there. Certainly, I cannot believe that. But yes, constantly updation of the knowledge to them is a question mark.
These are some of the websites that were hacked almost 3 months back. Some of this, like official gazettes, are still not fully operational. Department of Sainik Welfare, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Directorate of Accounts, Captain of Ports, Department of Water Resources, Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration, Office of Labour Commission, Directorate of Agriculture, Directorate of Printing Press and Stationery, Goa Dental College, Central Library, NRI Commission. The complaint in this matter was filed in the Porvoori police station, but there is too little that local police can do as hackers is an international group. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Nuwe Gram Sabha witnessed chaos over industrial waste being dumped at Nuwe. A resolution has been passed by the Gram Sabha to stop the work till road map and environment assessment report is not obtained by the Panchayat. Sarpanch of Nuwe, Ruben De Costa, said the work will be continued only if reports are appropriate from PWD and Pollution Board.
आम्ही एक रेजोल्यूशन घेवपाक तयार केलें मोटिवेशन सगळी ते रोड मॅप एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट आनी तो सगळें तें ब्लॅक स्लॅग कितें घायलें तें कुंकोली इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट सांगता तिका ते सगळे रिपोर्ट येयले बरोबर ग्रामसभान म्हणलां तो रोड टायमींग स्टॉप करपाचें आनी देन कॅरी ऑन द वर्क एवरीथींग इज फायन and we have already sent a letter to the pollution board and PW even but for this Gram Sabha resolution what is taken again we'll send to the PW. Regarding Bloom School was there one regarding that and that thing already we have sent a stop notice and the further joint inspection will be done with the joint TCP.
The industrial waste was being dumped at Nuwe from Kunkoli Industrial Estate. Local of Nuwe had protested against the dumping. Now Gram Sabha will petition the Pollution Control Board and PWD to obtain necessary reports on continuing the works. Reporter Sameer Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.